I am Tushaar Gadiya, owner of GADIYA Electronics. Welcome to TLC Expo. We are into manufacturing of industrial automation products, mainly related to load controllers and length measurement systems. In our range, we have a product called force mounting system. This is mainly used in presses for maintaining the quality or monitoring the quality of two parts which are joined, like bearing, bush pressing, insert pressing. These are generally used in SPMs, engineering industries, and automobile industries. This is low-cost load monitoring product, which has the function as same as this, but this is a scaled-down version. Whereas in this, you have a lot of data logging and tracing also. Other products are load cell controllers, length measurement systems, and these are batching controllers used for multiple product weighings.